See, the next we're discussing the topic is ideal gas equation. Ideal gas. We have the derive this is the ideal gas equation. Let us consider. Let us consider. Consider 1 mole. 1 mole of ideal gas. 1 mole of ideal gas. Ideal gas means the which gas is obeys Boyle's law and Charles law. That is called as the ideal gas. Here, how many moles are taken by the 1 moles? Initially, it have the pressure is P1, the volume is V1, temperature is T1. See, this is the pressure is P1, volume is V1, temperature is T1. Now apply the Boyle's law for here. So what we can apply by the Boyle's law will be applied here. See, when the Boyle's law we can apply for any the ideal gas. See, what is the Boyle's law is there? The pressure is inversely proportional to the volume at constant temperature. See, the temperature, how much is there initial T1? When apply the Boyle's law, the temperature remains same. It is a constant. See, what will be there? The pressure will be increasing P1 to P2 and volume will be decreasing because of the pressure will be increasing, the volume can be decreasing V1 to V. V1 to V. Next, this position we can apply the Charles law. Charles law. Charles law, what is say? Here the two conditions are there. At constant pressure and another at constant volume. But here take the at constant pressure. What taken by the at constant pressure. The pressure will be take the constant. When the pressure will be take the constant, the volume is directly proportional to the temperature. See, what is the volume is directly proportional to temperature. When the volume will be increasing, the temperature also will be increasing. It is the same amount. See, the pressure will be constant. The P2 same. But the temperature increasing T1 to T2. The same amount of increasing by also volume V2. See here, according to Boyle's law. According to Boyle's law. What is the P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2 at constant temperature. Now apply this here the two reactions. Now the first reaction, what is the temperature is closed because of its constant. See, what is the P1 V1 is equal to P2 into V. Because of the Boyle's law, what is there? P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2. We can write here the P1 V1 is equal to, here what is there? P2 into V. So we write the equation, the P2 is taken this side. P1 V1 by P2 is equal to V. This is considered the equation number 1. Same. And these two reactions we apply the according to Charles law. According to Charles law. At constant pressure. At constant pressure. The pressure will be the constant. So what is there? The volume is directly proportional to the temperature. What is the reaction is there? V1 by T1 is equal to V2 by T2. That is the principle of the Charles law at constant pressure. Now can apply here also. See, what is the pressure will be constant. This is now we can remove this one. The remaining what is there? V1 by T1. The right side is equal to the left side value of V2 by T2. Because of its charge. Then write the V is equal. T1 is taken this way. V is equal to V2 T1 by T2. This is considered the equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2. So what you can write the from equation 1 and 2. So both of them is equal to the value. What we can write here the P1 V1 by P2 is equal to what we can write here the V2 T1 by T2. V2 T1 by T2. Now here is the 2, here the 1, here the 2, here the 1. See, the 1s are taken the one side and 2s are taken the one side. That means the T1, only T1 is taken this side and P2 is taken this side. The cross multiplication. Then we can write here the P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2. See, just like of in a Boyle's law. What is the P1 V1 is equal to P2 V2, that is equal to constant. Now here also what we can do, the PV by T is equal to constant. P1 V1 by T1 is equal to P2 V2 by T2 is equal to P3 V3 by T3, that is equal to constant. Then we can write the PV by T is equal to constant. This constant we are considering by the small r. The small r is nothing but a specific gas. Specific gas constant. Specific gas constant. The small r. The small r is a specific. But it is a changes. It is changes gas to gas. Gas to gas of its value. So what is say the small r is nothing but what is called as the specific gas constant, but it is changes gas to gas of its value. The value will be changes with the gas to gas. That's why the small r replaced by the capital R. What is taken by the capital R? Okay, the capital R is called the universal gas constant. What is called this? Universal gas constant. Universal gas constant. We can write here the PV by T is equal to R. Then the T is the, take the cross multiply, PV is equal to R into T. But actually you are taken, how many moles are taken by this? 1 mole. For example, gas having n moles. Gas having n moles. See that we can write the PV is equal to nRT. What is the formula here? PV is equal to nRT. P is nothing but pressure. V is equal to volume. N is equal to number of moles. R is equal to universal gas constant. This is a constant value 8.3. And T is the temperature. This equation is called as the ideal gas equation. This equation is called as the ideal gas equation.